Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the require function in Solidity smart contract. Require function are used in Solidity smart contract for checking the condition whether it is true or false. If it is true, then it will execute the next line. Let's demonstrate it how we can create how we can use the required conditions in a smart contract. Let's create a file required.sol. Let's copy these two lines, then create a contract require demo, and create a variable a is equal a, make it public, sorry, u into public a. Now create a function b, make it public, and then increment a value. So this is the simple smart contract with the initialization of a variable a, and then we are incremented it in a function b. So let's save it and just deploy it and see how it works. A value of a is 0 right now. We have incremented it, now it's 1, and then increment again, now it's 2. So we are just incrementing the state variable. Now what if we want to restrict that function to the owner of the smart contract only? Let's see how we can do that. Let it address owner, then create a constructor and let's assign the owner message dot sender. Let's do it immutable, and now let's write a function uh, owner equal to message dot sender. Message dot sender have always a value of that address which is calling that function, and at the start, at the deployment of the smart contract, the constructor call one time and it set the owner of the smart contract, so it check whether this function is called by owner or not. This function is only allowed to call by an owner. Okay, so we have created it and compile it, and now let's deploy it. Now see, okay, the value of a is 1 is 0, now it's 1. Now we are changing the address from which we will be calling that function again. Okay, now you can see the error, this function is only allowed to call by an owner. So we will use require to add the condition in a function. We can add different function. If this function, if this condition is true, then the function will call. If not true, then it will just revert back the transaction. Let's create a function c where is decremented the value, and let's redeploy it. Okay, now you can see the other function a value 0, b, now click in. Okay, a value is now 7. Now I'm changing it, and now clicking it, creating the c function. Try to decrement it, but it's not decremented it. The owner of this smart contract is 014. Now let's just going back to this owner, there it is, and call the function again. Okay, now value of h would be 6. Okay, so this is how we can use required in a smart contract. One thing that you are saying that we have to repeat this condition and both the contract, so we can minimize it by using the modifiers that I will talking about next video. Thank you.